Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel RinkuArt.
Hello friends, welcome again to my channel RinkuArt. This is Rajesh and I share drawing related videos. So if you are interested in drawings, then do subscribe my channel. And now coming back to this video. Here in this video I will not show you any character designing, but will show two types of trees that I use in my illustration works. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So as you can see, I have completed both the trees, but here in this video I have not explained you how to do it. If you want me to make another video in which I'll explain you the detail, then please comment me below so that I will prepare a video on that, and I'll put everything like the step-by-step process to draw the tree. So please comment me below, and if you like this video, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell icon. That will give you a notification. So thanks for watching once again, and bye bye, take care.